Hello again, friends. Today we are going to try to polish this heavily corroded American Boyd wheels. As you can see, this wheel is heavily corroded throughout the whole rim. Let's get started. Like any other polishing job, we start by sanding the surface of the wheels with 180 grit sandpaper. There is still an even part on the wheel surface. Need to sand it down more. This is the step I use for the sanding job. First use 180 grit sandpaper. After that, I use 400 grit, and then 600 and finally 800 grit sandpaper. You can also use 1000 to 2000 grit sandpaper for final sanding and for better finish before start polishing. This is how it looks like after sanding 800 grit sandpaper. It's good enough for me. Time to start polishing. As usual, polish using polishing block and angle grinder. As usual, I use all metal polish for the finishing to get rid of the swirl from the angle grinder.
Fight for my attention, for your ascension, you must prove. 'Cause if you can find it, you don't confine it, you let it move. Make way for the genie, scream for the dream, may come true.
Finally polishing the lips.